Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Bill Widmer here, and this is a quick video to explain how to use our Pinterest traffic swipe file. So you're going to have two documents in here. The first one is this spreadsheet, which is your Pinterest board tracker, and you're going to use this to keep track of any of the Pinterest boards, the group boards that you reach out to. And then the other one, this Google Doc, is an image tip guide. So how to create really good Pinterest images. So definitely check that out. So this is self-explanatory. Obviously, you can read through that. But for the Pinterest board tracking sheet, I wanted to explain how to use that really quickly. So the first thing you do is everything you record is going to go in this Pinterest board tracker tab at the bottom. So in a separate tab, open up Pin Groupie, which I talk about in the article. And if you ever need to refer back to the article, I have it linked to right here. So you can see the full explanation of how to grow your traffic with Pinterest. So once you open Pin Groupie, you're going to scroll down and you see categories, order, descending, title, and description. And it's going to show you all of the boards around the filter that you put in. So basically what you're looking to do here is find group boards around the industry that you're in. So for my example, I used the Wandering RV. I looked for boards around RVing, around traveling, hiking, stuff that's outdoorsy, camping, travel related was what I was looking for. So in the title, I might type RV. And then category, I don't really touch, but order by number of followers. And that's important because the more followers a board has, the more people are going to see any pins that you pin to it. So then we hit filter, scroll back down. And perfect, we've got camping recipes and RV recipes, which actually I think I'm going to join that one. And if you click on it, I like to open it in a new tab. It'll actually take you right to their board, which is awesome. Just make sure that you don't send Pinterest messages to these people when you reach out to them. Actually send them an email through their website or some other method. Because if you send too many Pinterest messages directly, Pinterest will tag you for spam and you could get banned. So obviously you don't want that. So once you find a board that looks promising, come over here and we already did step 3. Now we're going to add the information from each board into the spreadsheet. So come to this tab. I have an example in here, but we'll use this as an example. So the first thing we have is the board name. This one is camping recipes and RV recipes. So I'll just copy that. I use Control-Shift-V, by the way, on the keyboard to paste only the value, because if I do just Control-V, it looks like that. No fun. So Control-Shift-V, little fun fact, save you some time. And feel free to organize this so it doesn't cut over. The board URL, which is just the URL up here, and Control-Shift-V. The board owner, which is the first person on here. The Kitchen Magpie. Control-Shift-V. Their email, which usually they have a website. If they don't have a website, their email is going to be a little harder to get and you have to do some digging. But if they have a website, go to their website, look for a contact page or anything like that. So you got contact me down here, and some of them don't have an email publicly. They only have a form. But if you really want to try and find their email, sometimes if you go to their Facebook page, and you click on About, as soon as it loads here. So you click About and go to their contact info. Boom, right there. There's her email, thekitchenmagpie@gmail.com. So I'm going to copy that email address, paste it in here, do a little formatting, and then the owner's URL. So I take their URL and then paste it into there. The number of board followers I like to have. So this board, 258,000. That's fantastic. We'll paste that in there. Reached out to, I did not reach out to her and I did not get accepted yet. Once I send an email, and you can get the email template from the Sumo article that I wrote, I would just put an X and it'll automatically center it. So you know who you reached out to and who you still need to reach out to. And then once you get accepted, you press Y, or if they say no thanks, you put an N for no. So that's how to use that. I hope you guys like it. Definitely drop a comment on the article of what you think if you found it helpful. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, billwidmer.com. Thanks, guys. Cheers.